Hello everyone. This is P. Mabu Hussain, Assistant Professor in Narasimha Reddy Engineering College. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about what are the joins in database. So join is a statement in SQL, so which we use for combining the two or more tables, and these two or more tables can be combined based on one common field in between them. So now let us assume that there are two tables are available in the database. Here I am taking the two tables as student table and branch table. Now this student table is having three rows, three columns and four rows. And similarly, branch table is also having two columns and four rows. Now here we are going to join these two tables. If you want to join any tables, at least one common field must be there in between two tables. Now here if you observe in these two tables, the common field is branch ID. Here in student table we have the branch ID, and here in branch table also we have the branch ID. Now we are going to join these two tables based on this common field, which is the branch ID. Now, what are the different types of joins in database? So there are five types of joins are there in database. These are listed here. The first one is inner join, and the second one is left outer join. Third one, right outer join. Fourth one, full outer join. Fifth one, self join. Now here I have kept some terms in brackets. That means that these are, without these also we can write the statements in the SQL. That means inner join is same as a join, left to outer join is also same as left to join, right outer join is also same as right join, full outer join is also same as full join, and then we have the self join finally. Let us go and discuss about these one by one so that we get clarity. First, see the inner join here. Now in inner join, or simply you can call it as a join only. So in this inner join or join statement, we are going to combine the two tables based on one common field. Here whenever you join the tables using this join statement, uh, all the records which are having the matching values in both the tables will be joined here. So now the statement for executing the SQL statement is this one here. So here we are selecting all the columns. Star here represents the all the columns from both the tables, student and branch. Now this student and branch we are going to join with the statement join. Now here join or inner join, anyone you can use. Now these two tables we are going to join on certain condition. The condition here is student dot branch ID is equal to branch dot branch ID. That means whenever a student branch ID and branch ID is same, then we are going to join those two records. Now here this is the Venn diagram for join. So here we have the two tables. Now whenever you use the join statement in these two tables, then all the records which are having the matching values in both the tables will be uh, recorded. Now here take this student table and branch table. Now whenever you join these two tables by using a join statement, then here we are joining these two on based on the this column, so which is the branch ID. Now here in these two tables, what are the common common fields we have, common or matching values we have? Here one we have, here also one we have, here two we have, here also two we have, here three we have, here three we have, but here we have five, here we are not having the five, here we have the four, here we are not having the four. So these two tables are matched only when match is available. So match is available for one here and here, and match is available for here two here and here, match three is available here and here. So these first three records will be matched, and this final one is not matched. Here also this one is not matched. Now with this join statement, the table will be joined based on this branch ID whenever whenever they this are same. So this condition we have written, whenever branch ID is same with the in the both the tables, then you join those records. So here for three records, first three records only having the matching values in both tables. So a new table is created here whenever you execute the SQL statement, this one. So now the new table here, we have the three rows only, 101, 102, 103. So here branch ID will be the common for both the tables. So here we are so we are creating this table from student and branch table with a join statement. Okay. Now let us go with the left outer join or simply left join. Now here we are going to combine the tables student and branch. Now here I have given the Venn diagram for left join or left outer join. So if you are going to join two tables, table 1 and table 2 here. Now whenever left join is used between these two tables, so then all the columns in the list table, all the records in the left table will be considered, and only the only the rows or records in the which are having the matching values with the table 1 only will be considered here. That means here in left join, so we will record all the rows in the left table and only the matching records in the right table. Okay. See here you observe, I want to join the student and branch again with a left to join or left to outer join. So this is the SQL statement. Select all columns from student left to join with a branch. Now whenever you use this command left to join, now these two tables student and branch ID will be joined in such a way that all the records from student will be taken and only the matching records from branch will be taken based on this condition. Okay. So now here student table. Now student table is our left table and branch is the our right table. Now whenever you join these two with the left join, now all the records of left table will be taken. So that means student all the records will be considered here. So if you observe in the output table, so all the records in the left table are considered here, 101, 102, 103, 104. But here in right table, only the matching values are one match or matching records only considered here. So here in student and branch table, matching records will be there with the branch ID 1, branch ID 2, and branch ID 3. So here in the branch table, we have only 3 matching records. So only those 3 matching records will get here. And here in left table, all 4 columns, 4 rows will be considered. So now for final row, there is no data is available for a table branch. So in such a case, null values will be inserted there. Okay, so this is the table finally created whenever you join the table with the left join or left outer join. Okay. Next, we are moving with the right outer join or simply right join. So this is almost opposite to the left join. So here in this right outer join, we are going to join the two tables. Now in these two tables, so in these two tables, all the records from right table will be considered, and in left table only the matching records will be considered here. So here this one is completely opposite to the left join here. So here we are going to again join the student table and branch table with the right join. Now the SQL statement here is select star from student. Now here right join branch, and condition is same here. So based on the branch ID. So whenever branch ID is equal is same in both the tables, student table and branch table, so then we are going to join the records. Now as we are using the right to join here, so this right join, what it will perform, it will perform it will return the all the records on the right hand side table, and only matching record from the left table. So here student table is the left table, branch table is the right table. So all the records of this branch will be considered, but for left table only matching records will be considered. Matching records are 1, 2 and 3. Here again same. So now whenever you execute this SQL statement, a new table is created here like this. Now in this, if you observe all the records, all the records are all the records of branch table, which is the left table is sorry, right table is available. For left table only the matching records are available. Okay, so now here in right table we have one extra row is there. For those row there are no values are available in the left table. So in such a case all those values will be inserted with the null values. Okay, so this is about the right join. Now let us go with the next join, which is the full outer join or full join. Now here also we are going to use the same tables. Now whenever you execute the full join, so now in this full join we are going to consider all the records in both the tables. Okay, whenever we use the full join on any two tables, now here all the records on both the tables will be considered here. So now take the student table again and branch table again. Now let us use the full join in between these two tables. Here the SQL statement is select all from student full join branch. Condition here is the again same, which is the branch ID. So whenever branch ID is common in between both the tables, so then we are going to match the records. Now here as we are using the full join here, so now this full join joins the records from student table and branch table if whether there is a match or not a match is there. So now see here student table. Now in the student tables all the records are considered, and in branch table also all the records, all the matching records are considered. So now here when there is no match is available between the tables, then those are filled with the null values here. So now here if you observe student table, this student table is having branch ID 1, 2, 3, 5, and this branch table is having the branch ID 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now here in right hand side table with the branch ID 4 no record is available. So now for those the values will be taken as null values. Okay, and similarly in branch table we are not having the branch ID with 5. For those null values are filled here. Okay, this is simply you can say it is the combination of or union operation of left join as well as right join. So in MySQL we use the union operation for performing this full join here. See here in MySQL, select all from student, so left join on the condition, then we are going to perform the union operation between right join and left join. Okay, so this is the statement you need to execute in MySQL. Now generally in other softwares we may be using this select all from student. Here we are using full join, but this full join is not there in the MySQL. So we are going to use we are going to combine the left join table and the right join table with the union operation in MySQL. Okay. Next, self join. So in the self join, we are going to combine that one table with the same table. Okay. So here in such a case, we have to use this SQL statement, select star from student table. Now, as we are going to join the table, same table with the same table. So then In such a case, we need to keep the alias names for that. So student, so here I'm using the student table and also join with the student table only. Okay, so in such a case, you need to keep alias names for this student table. So first table we are considering the student table. I'm taking it as A, and second table also student table, and the name I'm taking it as B. So now on A branch ID, we are on A. I'm going to consider now, instead of branch ID, roll number I'm considering. Whenever the roll number of A and B tables are same, then we are going to join these two tables. So those two tables in the sense same table only. So here the same table, first table we are making it as A, and second table we are making it B. We are renaming them. So then we are executing this. Whenever you execute this SQL statement, so then a new table is created like this. Okay, now if you observe this table, uh, a student table is joined with the same student table here. So whenever matching is available, so then those records will be joined here in the self join. Then finally we have the next join, so which is the cross join. So in cross join, we will perform the cross product between two tables, and we will join the records based on that. So for executing cross join between any two tables, we need to use the command cross join here. Okay, cross join between student table and branch table. Now after in this join, we need to select all the columns here. So select all columns from both the tables by performing cross join in between. So now whenever you perform the cross join, then cross product will be completed. That means here first record of student is considered. Then that will be mapped with all the records with the second table. See here, you observe these records. Okay, so now this is the first row in the student table. Now this will be mapped with the all records in the branch table. Similarly, second row is considered. Now these all matched with all rows. Second one is considered, and in the branch table all the records are joined here. Similarly, third row is taken, and all the rows or records in the branch is taken. So then finally the last one is not available here. Maybe it may be gone below that. So similarly like this, completely for this fourth one also, all the records of this branch table will be joined here. So finally we'll get this table. Finally we'll get this table whenever you perform the cross join between the table student and branch. Okay, so let us see all these and execute all these in a MySQL. So here you open the command prompt and let us execute practically so that you can understand it perfectly. Okay, so here I'm opening the command prompt. So simply type cmd and open the command prompt. Here I'm taking it side by for my PPT. So now type MySQL -u, so which is the username for my SQL software is root for here, and then what is the password -p, then enter the password. So these credential you will set at the time of installation. So now use those credential and connect with MySQL so that you will get this command. Now here we need to check what are the databases available in the MySQL. So for that you need to execute the statement show databases. At the end you need to keep semicolon. Now here we have these databases available. Now this is testdb I want to use, so use testdb. Then database is changed to testdb. Now let us check what are the tables available. So for this, you need to execute show tables. So here I already created so not class tables, class info table is there. So if you want to check what are the rows available here in class, select all from class table. So these are the rows available here. Okay. So let us for our considered table, let us execute this join statement. So I want to create these two tables in the test table. So for creating the table, you need to execute the command create a table. Create a table. What is the table name? Student. Student. Here we need to take three columns: roll number, name, and branch ID. So here roll number. So roll number is of integer type. Then next name. Name. So name is a variable character length. Here let us consider the length of this will be 50. Similarly, the third one is branch ID. Branch ID. So which is the again same variable length character. So let us take 10 here. Now execute this statement. Now okay. So now here a table is created in the testdb. If you want to check again, show databases. Show databases. Now for not show databases, show tables. So now here we have the student table. Okay, now we created the student table. So now if you select what are the data available here, select all from student. So here we get there are no records available. The statement I typed it wrong. So it is an empty set. Now we are going to add 4 records. These records 101 Raju 1, 102 Ravi 2. Those records I want to join. So for that, you need to use the command insert into table student. Insert into table name is a student. So now here what we are going to insert all the values. So here values are first row 101 Raju branch ID 1. Raju branch ID 1. Okay. So next execute this command. So this you need to keep in quotations. So now one row is affected. Now if you select same command, select from student. Now one row is added here in the student table. Okay. Similarly, you also keep other rows 102 Ravi 2. 102 Ravi branches to here. So comma insert multiple rows. So just keep one comma here. Next we want to insert 103 103 Ramu. Branch ID we consider here is 3. Next 104. Name is Rani. Branch ID 5 we consider. Now execute this. Somewhere we did mistake. Insert into student table. Values are 102, Ravi 2, 103, Ramu 3, 104, Rani 5. So where the mistake? Okay, let us see. On join with the 110, 102, Ravi 2, 103, Ramu 3, 104, Rani with the branch ID 5. So now we inserted 4 records here in student table. Then if you execute the command, select all from student. So here 4 records. This table is similar to this table here. So similarly, you create another table which is the branch and add the records there. Create a table. Table name is branch. So now here, what are the attributes for this? Branch ID. Branch ID. So which is the integer actually. So while creating the first table, we were considering branch ID to be variable length character. So here also we use the same here. Actually, it is integer. We used previously varchar. So here also use varchar. Then branch name. Varchar. Create a table branch ID, branch name, so order in the lines. Where is the problem? Any typing mistake? Create a table name branch ID, variable in the varchar 10, branch name, characteristic content. Why it is not executed? In this related. Table name is branch ID is this one. Branch name varchar 10. So insert the data here. Insert into this branch. Branch ID is 1. CSE. Insert into branch values you need to take. So one row is affected. So similarly, other rows also you add branch 2. Triple E. Branch 3. Branch 4. Civic. Okay. So now if you select all those from branch table, we have this. Okay. So if you observe student table, select all from student. So now these are the tables which are available here. Here we are going to join these two tables. Now for performing first to join, this is the SQL statement. So inner join we want to perform. So execute this command. Select all from student, join branch on student, branch ID is equal to branch ID. So type the same command here. Select all columns from student and join this student with the branch table branch on condition. Okay, on student dot branch ID is equal to branch dot branch ID. Okay, execute this. Now here you observe this is the output. So whenever you perform the join operation between the tables, student table and branch table, now here we will it will check what are the common records which are available for common branch field. So now here branch ID 1 in 2 tables we have the record, branch ID 2 we have the record in both tables, in branch ID 3 we have the record for both tables. So in the both the tables common records, if they are available, those will be joined in the new table. Okay, so here we are while writing the statement we have selected all columns. Suppose if you want only some columns, so then you can write here instead of all you can write what are the columns you require. Student dot roll number, student dot roll number, comma, student dot name, comma, student dot branch ID, comma. So now in branch I'm taking branch dot branch name. Okay, so select these columns: student roll number, student name, student branch name. So from where after joining student and branch, so student join branch. So based on what some condition, Okay, so condition on student dot branch id is equal to branch dot branch id. Okay, let's get this. See here. So now here, this branch id column, we didn't get two times. Okay, only one time. Why? Because we are selecting all the rows on all the records, which are common fields in both the tables, and the table column names we keep it as a student roll number, student name, student branch id, student branch name. So you will get this table. Similarly, you can execute other things also. So for other things, you verify this. Okay. I'm stopping here. Thank you.